ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते। Fifth chapter, seventh sloka, Karma Sannyasa Yoga. In this, Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says, again, you can think that this is the highest qualification a Karma Yogi should have. One who is having mastered mind and body senses, and one who is pure of his mind, pure minded through Karma Yoga. Those persons understands the Paramatma is within him. The self-knowledge is not outside, it is within me, my own Atma. For that type of qualified person, that type of high qualified karma yogi, any karma if he does, that will not affect her, that will not become bandham. He crosses over bandham, means he crosses over all samsara related problems. Because of that only he becomes pure. Because he could control his body, mind and all senses, and he is pure hearted person, and he is pious, and he is a well-disciplined person, and he does all his karmas in very perfectly, and he does karma with Ishwararpana buddhi. For him, either karma or karma phalas will not affect him. Doing karma itself, he can become free from everything, karma as well as karma phala. So Bhagavan Krishna suggests to Arjuna, you have to have these qualifications. You should master your body and all sense organs. You should be purified. Your mind should be mind, buddhi, intellect should be 100% purified by sincere effort of and perfect effect of Karma Yoga. In that way, none will affect you, none will bond you, none will bound you. There is no bondage. One who can have control in his senses, means body mind complex under his control, and he purified his heart, his mind, wherever and whatever it's applicable through sincere effort of Karma Yoga. For him there is no bondage through karma. No bondage means he is beyond bondage. That type of Karma Yogi person understands the Paramatma, the self-knowledge, the Atma-jnanam, the Brahma-jnanam is my own Atma. That is the plus point, or that is the essence of a Karma Yogi, true Karma Yogi. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 8th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.